Decals are great for Christmas because you can temporarily attach them to windows or vases or candle holders to create your Christmas decorations. To start off, you need to make your decals using Derivan Pouring Medium tinted with Derivan acrylic inks. You'll need some document folders with some card in them. So I'm going to pour 100 ml into this cup, and that will make me enough for this one full page of A4 and that cup as well. So that's 100 ml. And I'm going to colour that with Derivan acrylic inks. So in the first cup, I'm going to put 10 drops into that 100 ml. And I'll do the same with the green. So we've got 10 drops in there. And then just using a paddle pop stick, I'm just going to gently stir that colour into the pouring medium. Once you've finished stirring in the colour, it's time to start pouring out your shapes onto the plastic sleeve. In this example, I'm doing circles, but you could just do one full sheet and then cut it out the shapes you want later. I've completed my shapes and now I'm going to leave them to dry overnight. So they're dry and now they're ready to turn into decals. So because it's on a non-porous surface, you can peel it off. Once you've removed it from the plastic sleeve, you can now attach it to any glass surface. The other great thing about these pieces is that you can actually cut shapes out of them. I'm going to cut this circle in half. Now that the decals are dry, I'm going to decorate them with Derivan Kindy Glitz so I can make my Christmas vase. Once the Kindy Glitz is dried, you can start decorating your Christmas decorations. The nice thing about these decals is they're removable, so if you're not happy where you've placed them, you can always move them. Put the last piece down and there you have it, a beautiful Christmas vase ready for Christmas cheer. I hope you enjoyed that and it's given you some great ideas for your Christmas decoration. And don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community by subscribing to Derivan.